Hey guys, welcome back to Math Made Easy with Kiki. Today we're going to be concluding pie charts. So last video we talked about using pie charts to conduct calculations, but in this video we're going to be calculating and properly drawing a pie chart accurately. So we have been given a frequency table to draw a pie chart based on this data. So it says that the frequency table below shows the food that 400 students ate for breakfast. Draw a pie chart to illustrate the data. So 65 people ate 8 yam, 110 people ate cornflakes, 80 people ate bread, 120 people ate rice, and 25 people ate pap. So let's solve it. We're going to have 65 divided by the total number of students, 400, times 360. Now, there are different ways of solving this. You can use 5 to cancel, or you could use 2. I think I'm going to use 5 to cancel. So 5 here is going to give us 80. And 5 here is going to give us 13. This 0 will cancel this 0, and we have 13 times 36 divided by 8. So we're going to do 13 times 36. 6 times 3 is going to give us 18. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1, that's going to give us 7. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. And then we're going to add that together, that's going to give us 8. 6, 1, and we have 468 divided by 8. So we have 8 here is 1. 8 here is going to give us 5, 6. Here is going to give us 8, then the 4 over 8. So we have our degree as 58.5. 58.5 degrees. The next one is going to be 110 divided by 400 times 360. Now the zeros here are enough to cancel. Then we have 4 here, 1, 4 here, 9, and then we have 11 times 9 giving us 99 degrees. Now let's say 80 people ate bread. So we're going to have 80 divided by 400 times 360. Again, the zeros are going to cancel. 4 here, 1, 4 here is 9, and we have 72 degrees. 9 times 8 is 72, giving us 72 degrees. Then we have 120 divided by 400 times 360. The zeros will cancel themselves again. 4 into itself is 1, 4 into 12 is 3, and 3 times 36 is going to give us 108 degrees. And the last one, 25, we're going to have 25 divided by 400 times 360. Now, you can use 4 and cancel this. 4 here is going to give us 10, and 4 here is going to give us 9. Now, we can see that you can use 10, you can use 25 times 9 is going to give us 45, carry the 4, 9 times 2 is 18, 18 plus 4 is going to give us 22. 225 divided by 10 is going to give us 22.5 degrees. So guys, I'm going to need to use a paper for this next part of the video because I'm going to be showing you how to draw an accurate pie chart. As you can see, I have all the degrees labeled out here so that I do not have to make reference to the board. And now we're going to start with the drawing of the pie chart. So to draw a pie chart, you're going to need a compass, a tool so that you can draw a perfect circle. You're also going to need a little pencil for your compass, and you're going to need a ruler, and you're also going to need a protractor. So I had to swap out protractors because I noticed that that one had really faint writing. So this one is bold enough for you guys to see. So first thing I'm going to do to draw my pie chart, I'm going to need to fix my pencil in the compass. So I'm going to start by unscrewing it, fixing my pencil, and then your pencil and your compass have to be at the exact same length. This is something you're going to learn in both math and basic technology or technical drawing. So we're going to start by drawing a circle of any radius. We're just going to need a circle. Please keep in mind. Okay, so we have our circle. Now you're also going to need to make sure that your midpoint is 9 right there, so that you know where you're going to start your measurements from. So according to our measurements, we're going to start from the biggest degree, which is rise of 108 degrees. So we're going to start by placing the edge of our protractor on the center line of our circle, and we are going to draw a line across to act as our diameter. If you don't know what a diameter is, please go ahead and watch my parts of a circle video. This will give you more insight on that. So we're going to place the black line on our protractor here, in this line on the middle, in the middle of our line, which is our midpoint. And we're going to count this way to make 108 degrees. So we're going to need to tell you to focus. We're going to count from 0 all the way up to 100. And we're going to count the lines, 8 of them. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from that dot, we're going to use our ruler and draw from there to our midpoint. And we have 108 degrees. Please note that if you divide it into 108 degrees, the other side is automatically going to be 72 degrees. So we already have 108 degrees covered. That is rise. And we also have bread covered, which is 72 degrees. The next degree we have here is the next biggest degree we have here is 99 degrees, which is cornflakes. So we are going to turn our paper around so it's easier for us to see. And we're going to do the exact same thing we did. Place the black line and locate 99 degrees. Then we're going to start from 0 and count upward. When we've reached 90, so we're going to count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is the line right beside 100. And now we're going to draw our 99 degrees. Yeah. And now 99 degrees, 180 minus 99 is going to give us the remaining degrees we have to get 58, to get 58.5 and 22.5. So that's going to give us, we have 17, 10, 1, and 8. So we have 81 degrees left here. And now we're going to draw from the remaining one, we have 58 degrees. Going to place it there again. And we are going to draw. Make sure that your lines are straight. Now we're going to start from this side this time and count up to 50. Then we're going to add 58. So we have 50, and please note that when you're using a protractor and you're starting from this side, you're going to count the upper numbers, and if you're using from the bottom, you're going to count the lower numbers. So you have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and now you're going to add 8. And if you round 58.5 to the nearest unit, that's going to give you 59. So we're going to use 59 because you can't use 0.5 on a protractor. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right there. And we have 58.5 degrees approximately, and approximately here we're also going to have 22.5 degrees. And then don't forget to also neatly label, oh my gosh, I wrote it upside down. So don't forget to also neatly label your pie charts, 108 being rice, 72 degrees being bread, and you have 99 degrees being cornflakes. You have 22.5 degrees being pap, and you also have your 58.5 degrees being yam. Okay. Thank you so much for watching Math Made Easy with Kiki. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what topic I should do next. Thanks for watching. Bye.